Axana is a portable imaging device that's designed to help physicians diagnose acute stroke in the emergency department and also emergency response vehicles.
Well, Lumio's breakthrough technology Axana can detect key stroke markers in under 4 minutes, vastly improving patient outcomes with a potential economic value of $60 billion.
Whether a person had a hemorrhagic or ischemic stroke, can't treat a person until they figure out what type of stroke it is.
We've all heard of the concept of the golden hour, trying to get patients treated within that first hour of symptom onset. Right now, to answer those two questions, you need to be transported to a big hospital. MRIs are incredibly powerful devices, but they weigh several tons.
We're able to shrink the technology. It's the lightest in its class.
Well, Lumio has raised over $7 million and is moving towards a phase 2 clinical trial.
The reason we actually got our funding was just because they had a lot of attraction from Australian stroke alliance.
The pre-hospital market is worth $5.1 billion. We're the only team in the world that's achieved this development, an imaging solution at a fraction of the price, but also that's vastly more portable and energy efficient. And it's the core to our IP strategy.
So this breakthrough project is a new form of cell and gene therapy. It's a personalised treatment in which we take a patient's own immune cells and genetically redirect them to fight their own cancer.
A treatment years in the making. CAR T therapy has recently unlocked over $10 million in private investment for a phase 2 trial that's now underway.
So the trial that we're undertaking is for large B-cell lymphoma patients. And we've now got the project to the point where it's really capable of delivering something exciting for New Zealand.
And the unique thing about the way that we're making these CAR T cells seems to be that they have a much improved toxicity or side effect profile, which makes them easier to give. So we can deliver this to more New Zealanders and potentially overseas.
The startup BioAura was launched in 2024 to automate CAR T manufacturing, taking the project one step closer to delivering treatment for thousands of New Zealanders.
CAR T-cell therapy provides options to patients that have no other options. We had to be able to make it affordable, something that could be delivered through the New Zealand health system. What we need to do now is work out how can you extend it to other forms of cancer as well.
Currently have collaborators in the USA, in China, in Australia, and of course now we're currently in discussions with both Barmac and MedSafe to allow us to bring this treatment as a routine standard of care.
The green shell muscle industry, for example, has a serious problem with spat retention. Generally, a good survival rate is down at around 3%. That we can increase that, effectively double the industry's survival rate.
Ocean Intelligence is the first commercial spin-out from Cawthron Institute over its 100-year history, building on more than 2 decades of aquaculture research.
Aquaculture farmers are really farming blind. They can't see what's happening to their crops. Ocean Intelligence lets you see what's happening on your farm without needing to physically be there.
We're delivering biological forecasts, so things like spat catching, harmful algal bloom, enabling farmers to anticipate events that are becoming increasingly more frequent due to climate change.
The platform solves a $40 million problem for the industry. With key partnerships and investment, it's now preparing for international growth.
So we see a real opportunity going to other shellfish producing countries.
There's a burning market need for these kind of biological forecasts. Ultimately, we see ourselves as New Zealand's aquaculture solution for the world.
Chile, Scotland, France all look to New Zealand to the cutting edge innovation.
I believe we can change the game for marine farmers across the globe.
As we progress to offshore farming, this is a key enabler. Ultimately, we believe that you shouldn't have to get your hands wet to know what's happening on your farm.